Hi, I'm Miss April, and welcome to a special World of Dahl Read Aloud. Let's go inside. Ooh, fishes! We'll be reading Roald Dahl's Opposites and Roald Dahl's 1, 2, 3. Our first book is Roald Dahl's Opposites, illustrated by Quentin Blake. Big, little, empty, full, tall, short, right way up, upside down, daytime, nighttime, outside, inside, high, low, leap up, crouch down, heavy, light, open, closed. And that was Opposites. Fish break. Our next story is Roald Dahl's 1, 2, 3, illustrated by Quentin Blake. One little chidler going for a walk. Two little chidlers waiting for their friend. Can you spot one enormous crocodile hiding in the grass? Three little chidlers running very fast. Can you spot one enormous crocodile lurking out of sight? Four little chidlers waiting for a ride. Can you spot one enormous crocodile standing very still? Five little chidlers fetching coconuts. Can you spot one enormous crocodile standing on his tail? Six little chidlers waiting for their turn. Can you spot one enormous crocodile balancing on a stump? Seven little chidlers playing in the sun. Can you spot one enormous crocodile keeping careful watch? Eight little chidlers ready for a snack. Can you spot one enormous crocodile crouching very low? Nine little chidlers having lots of fun. Can you spot one enormous crocodile hungry for his lunch? 10 little chidlers playing in the park. Can you spot one enormous crocodile's shiny white teeth? One enormous crocodile snaps his jaws. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to check out all the summer programs and events happening at the Corona Public Library. See you soon!